Yeah.
Hello, it's me again. Today we have a glazing day, and I'm almost I don't know what to say about it because I think I've lost my mind practically because I started making flowers like crazy. So instead of buying planters, or not planters, plants. Correct me if I'm wrong. Then I started making flowers, and some of them for my mom. They're cute. Made a hole in here.
Mm-hmm.
And leaves. So I'm gonna put all those leaves, see, inside my planters, and it's just, I don't know, maybe I lost my mind, I don't know, maybe I'm bored a little bit, who knows. Okay, then my mom asked for this cute caterpillar. Nice, you like it? Okay, this is my student made, the the boy that comes, that's a smiley, and that's, he's angry. So, it's a shell. Ooh. If I have it, shell. No, yeah, I have it here.
Made of clay, right?
Yeah, it's made of clay, but if I'll find it. Where did I put it? I made like I took a shell and I made how do you call it? Like a
mold.
a mold. No mold. Well, what's the name of it? I forgot how you call it. I forgot how you say it, and I can't find it, so I don't know. Anyway. Whatever. If I'll find it, I'll put it on next. I made it from cast.
Plaster cast, right?
Yes. I like the color.
Yep.
And that one too. And that one too. That all flowers. Flowers. I'm a flower girl. A little bit hot. Ooh. Oh, look at that. Okay, now I'm gonna have to explain what everything is. It's a flower. I don't need to explain that. Another flower. It's a snail. Look at this cute little snail. I made it.
Beautiful. Yeah, cute.
Cute, huh? Okay, now that belongs to a Chanukia, which I'm gonna have to explain to you. That's another shell. I have to explain what that means exactly, but I'm gonna have to show you what it is. So, that's another flower. Okay, now, that Onit made it.
That's a nice cap.
Beautiful.
Yep.
Hey! Oh, shit. Oops. Sorry. It cracked. So weird. I didn't expect it to happen. Wow. Well, I think it's just gonna have to be part of the design because there was no crack in here before. I don't know what happened. Really. It's a Chanukia. You put this is for Hanukkah. And this is for the shamash. Well, it was supposed to be beautiful. I can't really, I don't know what happened. It's sad. But it's what it is. Sometimes things happen. Snail. Kira made it. Nice. Now, hard to believe that whoever made it was his first planter, the first time he ever did pottery. At least with me, I don't know. He's like a genius. Something. It's a gift. It says, Tony, happy birthday. Or Mazel Tov. And this, maybe he should have dipped it twice. Well, I still like it, but that was supposed to be pink. Maybe we didn't mix it. Look at that. It's beautiful, and you know, it's hard to believe that he hand built it. It's not on the wheel. Amazing. Kira made it. It's nice. Okay. It's a little bit hot. Okay. Okay. That's cute. Kira made it. That's nice, huh? And she made this as well. I guess it was supposed to be a spoon rest. I don't know how you can rest a spoon on this, but it's not going to rest. It's not going to be comfortable. Whoops. That's the kid that comes to see me. He made this. I think it's cute, no?
Like a cookie monster.
Like a cookie monster, yeah. Another flower. Another leaf. And if you can see, shelves. More shells.
It looks real.
It looks real, huh? It's nice. This is actually under glaze that it's supposed to be like if you put clear glaze on it, it's gonna turn green. But because I didn't put clear glaze, this is how it looks like. It's very nice. I love it. And that's the last thing. It's an eye. The kid made it. It's an eye. That's it, guys. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.